How to fix story unavailable on Instagram. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open App Store on your phone. Then go to the search bar and search for Instagram. And you have to check if your Instagram is updated or not. So you want to go ahead and check it. If the blue button right here says update, you want to go ahead and update it. And if not, you'll have to know that your Instagram is updated. Next thing what you can do is you want to go to the settings on your phone, scroll down and tap on general. After that, you want to tap on iPhone storage. After it is loaded, you want to scroll down and tap on Instagram. As you do that, you'll reach to this page where you want to tap on offload. It will delete all the clear caches on your phone, but it doesn't delete any data. After you offload your app, you want to reinstall your phone from right there. If it doesn't work still, you want to go ahead and delete your app and then reinstall from App Store. That might help fix your problem of story unavailable on Instagram. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.